morning, children. In the last video, I showed an activity which helped you understand the concept of borrowing in subtraction. In this video, I am going to use those cards again, but this time I am going to teach you the concept of addition and carrying over. And I really hope with the help of this activity, your concept of addition and carryover will become absolutely clear. So come, let us start addition. So children, we are going to add these two numbers, 346 and 427. Both the numbers are being added and so they are called addends. So to add these two numbers, let us make 346 with the help of these cards. So 300 means we have to pick up 100, 200 and 300. We will pick up these 300 cards and keep here. 40. So it means we have to pick up 4 cards of tens. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these are 4 cards of tens. We are going to keep them here. And 6. So we have to pick up 6 cards of ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are the 6 cards of ones. So we are going to keep them here. Now we will make the number 427. So 400. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4, this will make 400. So we will keep it here, 400. 20. So 1 and 2. 2 tens will make 20 and 7. So 7 ones. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1 more makes 7. So now we have 346, 427. Now we want to add them up. Add means we have to bring them together. So let us bring them together like this. We have added them up and let us see what is the answer. Let us count the ones first. Why? Because we start addition from ones place. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If there are 13 cards, so what we will do, we will keep these 3 ones cards and these are tens. These are 10 ones and these are 3 ones. 13 means 10 plus 3. So for 10, we will take 1 10 from here. So these 10 cards we will keep back and we will take 1 10 from here. This is 1 10. So children, 6 plus 7 is 13. So this is 3. Oh, I started writing with a pencil. Let me get a pen. Let me write this with a pen so that you all can see it clearly. So this is 3 ones and the 10 which we have picked and kept in the bundle of tens, that will be the carry over. This is the carry over 1. You remember children, just now we kept 10 ones in this pack and I picked up 1 10 and kept in this pack. So that 1 is the carryover. Okay, let us see how many tens do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 tens. Okay, so it means 4 plus 2 plus 1 will make 7 tens. Okay, now let us see how many hundreds do we have. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means 3 plus 4 gives us 7. So let us write 7 here, and now we have 773 as our answer. So here also we have 773. Here we have 7 hundreds, 7 tens and 3 ones. Children, in this sum, the addends are 572 and 354. So we are going to add them up, and the number which will come here, that number will be called the sum. So let us first make 572 and 354. Okay, 572 means I have to pick up 500 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are 500 cards. 7 10 cards. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are 7 10 cards. 2 ones cards. So 1 and 2. So these are 2 ones cards. Now let us pick up 354. 300s. 1, 2 and 3. These are 300s. Okay, 50. So 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 tens and 4 ones. Let us pick up 4 ones. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have got 4 ones here. Now since we have to add them up, so let us put them together. I have put these cards together. Since we start addition from ones place, I will count the ones cards first. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 ones cards. So I will write here 6. Okay, now let me count the tens cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 10 cards. It means 7 tens plus 5 tens are 12 tens. So 12 means 10 plus 2. So I will keep these 2 tens cards here, and in place of these 10 10 cards, I will pick up a 100 card from here. Why? Because 10 tens make 100. So let me keep 10 tens here and pick up 100. Now 7 plus 5 is 12. So I am writing this 2 here, which are these 2 tens card, and I have picked up a 100 card. So this carryover goes here. So I have picked up 100 card, and now let us add the 100 column digits. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It means 5 plus 3 plus 1. 5 plus 3 plus 1 is 9. So our answer is 926. So children, these cards are 900, 2 tens and 6 ones. So that makes 926. Okay children, this is the last sum. I hope you would have understood by now. Now here the addends are 269 and 385. So we have to start addition from the ones place. But before that, let us make 269 with the help of these cards. Okay, 200 means 1 and 2. We will keep 200 cards here. 69 means 6 10 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 10 cards. I will keep them here. And 9 1 cards. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 1 cards which I am going to keep here. Let us make the number 385. So I have to have 300 cards. So these are my 300 cards. I will keep them here. 85 means 8 10 cards. Okay, let me see whether I have or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yes, I have 8 10 cards. So these are the 8 10 cards and 5 1 cards. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are my 5 1 cards. Let us keep them neatly. Children, in mathematics we have to write very little, only digits we have to write. So we must do our work very neatly. Now we have to add them up. So I am going to combine all these. I am going to bring them together. Always our addition starts from ones place. So let us first of all count how many cards are 9 ones plus 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 14 ones cards. It means 10 plus 4. 14 is 10 plus 4. So we will keep these 4 cards with us, and these 10 cards we will exchange them in place of 110s. So we will keep it here and we will take 110 and keep it here. So it means 9 plus 5 is 14. 4 ones will come here and 110 will be the carryover. Now let us add the digits at the tens place. 8 plus 6 plus 1. It means we have to add these cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are 15 10 cards. So what we will do, 15 is 10 plus 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 tens we are going to keep here and 10 tens. What is 10 tens equal to? 10 tens is equal to 100. So we will keep 10 tens here and pick up 100 and keep in the hundreds cards. So 8 plus 6 plus 1 is 15. So 5 will come here and 1 will be the carryover at hundreds place. So let us now count the 100 place digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 600. So for hundreds place we will write down 6. So our sum, children, remember the answer of addition is called sum. So our sum is 654. So we have 600 cards, 5 10 cards and 4 ones cards. So this makes 654. I really hope, children, you would have understood the concept of carryovers and addition. Please try it yourself. Do many sums because addition and subtraction we will have to do throughout our lives when we go to buy things. So that's all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.